What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe, Postcard Diva. I'm back. How you doing this afternoon? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, we're going to do an update for Money Monday on Stable Swap. If you haven't checked out my crypto projects, the link is in the description. Go check them out, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Let's talk about it. All right, we recently just came off of a 9-day promo that the company provided because they hit a major milestone, over 1 million. Okay, I think it was a week ago. As you can see here at the time of this video, we've got 1,312 providers, okay, investors, if you will, people that have actually parked their crypto in the platform, and they're already over 1,258,206 in liquidity. That's amazing. They launched around November 7th, 8th ish, 2023, and so they've done very well, okay, on their way to 2 million. All right, Stable Swap, I really like this platform. It's my #1 because it's sustainable and stable. They operate using two coins, USDT and USDC. All right, and there is no KYC required from the providers, but KYC is required if you utilize the over-the-counter services that they have. All right, and right now they're offering this service in the Philippines, and the company is in the Philippines right now. Their next launch is India. Okay, so great platform, stable and steady, slow and steady. Okay, for the people, by the people. Step into the future of finance. Discover a seamless way to unlock the full potential of your digital assets. This is a great way to earn passive gains in crypto 7 days a week. Okay, this thing runs 7 days a week. You can withdraw at any time as long as you got $50 crypto in, crypto out. Okay, 50 in your balance. Okay, so they offer a service in which you can swap fiat to tokens effortlessly, easily convert your traditional currency into a diverse range of tokens with lightning fast transactions, minimum fees, and a hassle-free conversion process. Optimize returns through liquidity pools. Okay, so we're able to earn crypto gains by simply parking crypto in one of the 3 liquidity pools that they have. Here are the terms. These are the 3 packages, if you will. Short term, 0.1% daily for 60 days. Medium term, 0.2% daily for 120 days. The long term, 0.35% daily for 300 days. This is the term that they were offering the promo on for those 9 days. So we receive random APRs for those for 9 days, guys. Okay, so I took advantage of 2 of those days personally. And it's a great startup as well, a low startup. So it doesn't take a lot to get this thing going, and you can have as many of these terms if you would like. All right, so let's log in. Let's see what we've got going on here. All right, let's take a look. All right, so you can see I'm in here, and this is the service that they offer. Okay, it's not even in the United States. If I wanted to use the buy and sell service, like I said, it's in the Philippines right now, and they're going to be launching in India. All right, so they provide this service, but there's fees, as you know, that go along with any transactions that you make, right, when you're buying, selling crypto. So we're able to earn rewards from them providing this service. Okay, pretty cool stuff. So far I've gotten some rewards here, and then we've got 442.94 in liquidity in the platform. And here are your two wallet addresses, USDT and USDC. As I stated, those are the only two currencies that they accept and deal with. So you've got here to the left your dashboard, liquidity pools, which are the three terms I just showed you. And as I stated, I went ahead, I think it was, yesterday was the last day, and it was at 0.46%. So I went ahead and jumped on that and added another liquidity pool. And the one before that, the first day they had the promo, that was the 9th. So it went from the 9th through the 18th. And as you can see, it's back to the 0.35%. Okay. So yesterday, it was 0.46%. So I have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms, okay, in the platform. You can have as many as you like, guys, and that's how we got this total here of the 442. All right, thank everybody that's gotten started, and congratulations to everybody that has gotten started in Stable Swap. This appears to be a sustainable platform, guys. All right, so let's see what we got. So over here you got liquidity pools. I just showed you that. And affiliates, anybody that have signed up with you, it'll be here. And then you've got your history here with all your transactions. Okay, over here, so rewards shows you here all your rewards, what you're earning every day from those terms that you've got. Transaction history, I made a withdrawal from the platform. Affiliate history, got some affiliate commissions, and OTC history, which I don't have any because it's not in my country, right? All right, so pretty simple platform. You got right here deposit, withdrawal, and internal transfer. That's really all you're going to be working with. Either you're withdrawing, or you're making a deposit, or you transferring crypto to someone else within the platform. So if you decide you want to get started, you're going to click deposit. They only deal with 2 coins, remember. So if you select USDT, you have 3 chains. Okay, you got your Tron chain on the blockchain, you got Ethereum chain, and Binance Smart Chain. If you select Tron chain, here's the QR code. Okay, each time there's a different QR code. Okay, so don't save this and keep using it over and over. And so the minimum is going to show you is $50 minimum deposit. Okay, to use TRC20. All right, if you wanted to use Ethereum chain ERC20, the minimum is $250 crypto. All right, if you wanted to use Binance Smart Chain BEP20, the minimum is $25. Okay, and that's how that will go. So make your deposit, click there, scan the QR code, and deposit into the platform. Once it shows up, give it a little time to be processed through the blockchain. It'll show up here. Okay, whichever coin you use will be in this one of these boxes. All right, so let's see what's happening here. All right, so that's how that will go. And once it shows up, then so step 1 is make a deposit into the platform, into one of these wallet balances. Your deposit is going to show up here. Then step 2 is click liquidity pool. Once you do that, you decide, you just click which one would you like. Okay, and then here you will see that balance that we saw on the dashboard. All right, and then you just click it here, checkbox, type the amount here, and click terms. You accept the terms and confirm. All right, now what's unique here, guys, when you go back over here under, let's say you want a USDT, right? Tron chain, the minimum is 50. Okay. Deposit. So 50 would show up here, but then you come here and you say, well, I only want to put 25. I'm only going to use 25 of it. I want the other 25 to sit in the dashboard. Okay. And then you could come here and you could just put 25 in here. You may want 25 in this liquidity. See, the minimum is 25. So you don't have to put the whole 50 in here. Okay. But I'm just letting you know that's how it will work. All right. It's just that simple, and it will show up, and you're earning 7 days a week every day, guys. And you can withdraw every day as long as you got 50 that shows up in one of these boxes. You can withdraw it. Okay. So if you do want to withdraw, it'll show up here. You click which coin it is, put your wallet address in here, type the amount in the amount box, click submit. Boom. It's not instant, but it'll show up, you know, within 24 hours. Okay. I didn't have an issue with the withdrawal that I made. All right. That's it. That's the platform. Make sure you definitely get into the Telegram group. When you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, go there, get registered, and get into the Telegram group. All right, guys, so you can stay informed and engaged on what's going on with this. But this one is really, really good. Okay, so I highly recommend you check into it. You do your research. Okay, it's my #1 play. And make sure you use risk capital before getting into any of these crypto platforms. Okay, they all are risky. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.